turbo shift, unarc, engine lathe. Right now it's at 1750 RPM. RPM. So nice big dials on it here on the compound, on the cross slide here. Rapid traverse this way and this way on it. Cross slide dial moving here. They both have dials on them here. Got a thread dial on it. It has very little slopping right here. Has a slack adjustment on the back. Goes all the way down to 14 RPM here for big thread cutting. That's pretty nice. We have some large steady rest here, the roller steady rest here. It has a 2-speed heavy-duty tailstock with auto one-shot lube on it. It's got a feed forward and reversing lever shaft here, feet with stops on it. Got a nice new chuck on this machine here, 12-inch.